Understanding, it was my fault. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, it was my fault. Understanding such phrases is key in mastering the English language. Let's dive into what this phrase means, how to use it, and its nuances. I hope this will be a helpful journey for all English language learners out there. It was my fault is a phrase used when someone wants to admit responsibility for a mistake or a wrong action. This phrase is about accepting blame and not putting it on others. It's a sign of maturity and responsibility. We'll look at examples to understand this better. In this section, we will explore how "it was my fault" can be used in various situations, from casual conversations to formal apologies. Whether it's a small error or a significant mistake, this phrase is versatile. We'll also compare it with similar phrases like, "I'm sorry," and "my apologies." It's crucial to understand the cultural context of admitting fault. In some cultures, saying, "it was my fault," is highly respected, while in others, it might be seen differently. We will discuss the importance of tone, setting, and the listener's perspective. Here, we'll address common errors learners make with this phrase. For instance, overusing it or misunderstanding the sincerity behind it. We'll also cover how to respond when someone says, "it was my fault," to you. Let's put theory into practice. We'll go through some role-play scenarios to practice using "it was my fault." This interactive section will help in cementing your understanding and usage of the phrase. I hope this video helps you understand and use "it was my fault" confidently in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.